My Maymay Dark Forest blind boxes arrived just in time for spooky season from Colombo, and I'm gonna throw leaves until I get the perfect slow motion shot. Don't forget to use coupon code NIJITOYS10 to receive 10% off your Colombo order. These are the three I want the most, and maybe I'll pull the secret. So for my first box, I got the Bearbell. She's so sweet. I love her eyes, very soft, and all of these become a plushie pendant for your bag. And the second box, I got Crazy Ada, and she is so cute. I love her fur and her little bow tie. The ears are adjustable and bendable for posing. And I was super lucky with my third pull. I got Vampire the Bat. She is so cute, and I'm so happy I found her. All three of these are going to be my little Halloween buddies this year. Thank you so much, Colombo, for sending these. I love them so much, and happy Halloween, everyone.